So, been a long time. I think it's been about a month since I posted a video. Or maybe 3 weeks, something like that. But before we get this video started and we get into, shop updates and things of that nature, I want to bring attention to something. As you guys know, this channel is basically just kind of a channel to give you guys some of the information on what we do as a fabricator, what we do as general maintenance and things of that nature. And the goal of the channel was to kind of help you guys out when it came to fixing your vehicles, repairing your vehicles, maybe, working on custom stuff, a little bit about how to weld. So we're kind of like cover a lot of bases here, and covering all those bases and making videos to show you guys how to do all this stuff gets expensive. And so that's why you guys don't see me doing a lot of videos, because in this line of work, we're busy constantly. I've always got something going on. As a matter of fact, if you take a quick look around, there's another Jeep sitting right there that we have to do the frame on. Now, I'd make a video on that, but I've already got 2 videos on that. And I've done 5 of these in the last 3 weeks. So, a little bit boring for you guys, not so boring for me because they make money. However, it stops me from making YouTube videos because all of my time is spent doing something that you guys have already seen a million times. So, unfortunately for me to make videos that are specifically to teach you guys how to do something, whether it be welding videos that cost time, money, materials, welding consumables, gases, all kinds of stuff, or just making a video on a car that we're doing some work on that you've not seen before, again, that takes time, and it ultimately takes a lot of time, which stops me from making money, which is what my full-time gig is here. So if you guys appreciate these YouTube videos and you want to see more of them, we've got to figure out a way to make this worthwhile for everyone. So a lot of guys run a Patreon site, and that's great. A lot of guys will do a lot of YouTube live stuff and do super chats and things of that nature, but the way that I look at it is I want you guys to have something that you can hold on to if you're going to be giving me your money to make videos that you can enjoy. So what I've done is I've actually working with a company called Bunker Branding. Bunker Branding is a company owned by Matt Carricker, who owns Demolition Ranch, Off the Ranch, Vet Ranch, all that stuff. And we collaborated with him, and we're actually going to be making t-shirts. So the t-shirts are going to look just like this. They'll have the MorFab logo on the front left breast, and they're great quality. They're amazing, just t-shirts right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a link in the description for the pre-order. Now, the pre-order, once we reach a certain amount, we're going to order these shirts. They'll be about 2 or 3 weeks out, so as soon as they come in to me, I will ship them directly to you. So if you would, do me a favor, if you want to support the channel, if you like what you see, and you want to see more of it, you want to see more videos, you want to see, more stuff, and even maybe make suggestions as to what you guys would like to see me do or what you would like to learn, then please, by all means, go down into the description, click on the link, buy yourself a shirt. They're 20 bucks. Larger sizes are 25 just to offset, but 20 bucks for a shirt. Pick one up. We'll get it out to you as soon as we possibly can, and you'll help the channel significantly. We'll be able to do more. We'll be able to do a lot more when it comes to just making random videos for you guys. As it stands right now, like I said, there's a lot going on here, and we can't always stop to make videos. So with that being said, let's get on to the shop update. All right, guys, so here's the update on the shop and what we've been doing lately. This is the remnants of a custom exhaust we did on a CRX the other day. Super clean CRX, but it was one of those ones where you had to bang it out quick, so we didn't have the time to really film any of it. My welding table is an absolute disaster. We got to clean that. My tool cart's a disaster. We got to clean that. We have this beautiful Rubicon in here that we actually have to do some framework on, and I'll take you guys over and show you what happened with that puppy. So this is never a good sign. Lower control arm and upper control arm mount broke right off the frame because it rotted right in there. So we got to do yet another frame on a Wrangler. Go figure. But I love them. They're great money and great time. Other than that, we did do a few things. There's a bike, nice and clean. We got shop is still almost 100% set up. We still need to figure out what we're doing with that door. That door eventually is going to go into what I'm going to show you next. So if you guys remember, you were always yelling at me because I didn't have anything on the loft. Everybody was always saying, "Ah, put a railing up, put a railing up." So we put a nice railing on the stairs, and then we did a full and complete half wall and made it all super nice up there. So now we got all our plumbing done. You can see our computers are up there, and we got our television, our sink, and everything else going on up there. So shop's finally coming together. I mean, we got some more wiring to do. A little bit of that. We got our whole camera and security system is in. So if you guys are thinking about doing anything, you'll be on camera. We got cameras outside. We got cameras inside. Yes, that's still here. Yes, this is still here. I need to do some work on that. But overall, there's a lot going on here. A lot going on here. We've got these Jeeps are coming in like crazy. This is, I think, the 5th or 6th one that we've done. And, you know, just in general, trying to get things set up, get it situated, trying to come up with some ideas to get you guys some more videos. A lot of our work lately has been stuff that you guys have already seen a million times and don't really need to see again. I mean, some of you might want to see it again, but you don't need to, because it's the same thing over and over and over again, which great for me, but not so good for the YouTube community. So I think what we're going to do is, like I said in the beginning, if you guys want to support the channel and you want to see more videos, the only way that we're going to be able to do that is through merchandise sale. So I'm hoping that if you guys truly enjoy this channel, that, you know what, you'll pick up a shirt. We don't need to sell a million of them, but pick up a shirt. Not only would you be helping me out when it comes to representing my brand, but you'll also be helping out the channel and getting more videos made of stuff that you want to see, because I'll have more time and more money and, you know, yada yada yada. Stuff's not cheap, guys. Not cheap at all. Between the camera equipment and the time and everything else, just, it costs money. So yeah. Alright guys, so unfortunately not a whole lot in this video. We just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up on what's going on with the shop and where I've been, what I've been doing. We've been keeping ourselves very, very occupied with all of these Jeeps that have been coming in. So if any of you have seen the Jeep videos and you've brought your Jeep to me, thank you so much. I really appreciate all the work that you guys are bringing me. If you have a Jeep that's broken, frame is rotted, we are more than happy to take care of that for you. Also too, yes, if you're messaging me on Instagram or you're messaging me on YouTube and I haven't responded to you, I am so sorry. I will do my best to get back to everyone who has messaged me, but it has just been crazy here. We literally opened up the door. We were half in here, half moved in, and the work just flooded in. I don't know if it's the new place or what it is, but I've been trying my hardest to get the work done and get the shop built and get everything situated so that it's easier to work in here, so that we have more time to do things. So we got some interesting stuff coming up in the future. We've got you know, a lot of custom exhaust work that'll be coming in. We got some really cool cars coming in. We've got more Jeeps coming, as always, but we're going to try our best to make some more videos and keep you guys somewhat entertained and somewhat up to date on what we're doing. But like I said in the beginning, I'm sorry to be pushing this stuff so hardcore, but it's a necessity. If you guys want to represent me, if you want to represent MorFab, if you like the channel, if you like what we do here, please go down in the description, pre-order yourself a shirt. Like I said, once the pre-orders are closed, it'll take us about 2 to 3 weeks to get the shirts to me. Once we get them to me, I will quality control them and send them out to you guys. So you're probably looking at like a 3-week turnaround. But again, if you enjoy what you're seeing and you like me, maybe, I don't know, pick up a shirt. It'll help me out. Represent MorFab. Maybe we can get some more people on board. So guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And most of all, to all you new subscribers that are here, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. To everybody that's been here from the beginning, you guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. Keep up the, you know, we're at what, almost 15,000 subscribers now, so we're doing amazing. And I never thought it would get above 100 subscribers, to be totally honest with you. So some cool stuff coming in the future. So yeah, I don't know, I probably talked way too much, but have yourselves a wonderful afternoon. I'm gonna go edit this video, we'll get it posted, and then I gotta get on this Jeep because it needs to get done. So talk to you guys later. Have a good day.